everybody. So this episode is solving the mystery of folding the lovely fitted sheet. So I have Heather here, which she admits that she does not know how to fold a fitted sheet.
No, I never have.
She's never done it. So basically, all I'd say is you want to find your corners, and you want to put your hand into the right side. So you have it backwards.
Okay.
So you want to have it in the right side.
Okay.
So you get your finger down into that very point.
Okay.
Then you find another corner. Oops, right side.
I'm gonna do the closest side.
Yeah. And then you're gonna put the opposite sides together, and you fold one on top of the other. So
Okay.
I don't know if you guys can see this. So you got here. So you got the insides of the sheets, and you're folding them together. Now you take it. This is a little cumbersome, but you kind of flip it so they're all going. The sheet is all going the same direction. Okay. So you gotta get all your elastic. See that? So that's how you have to get them to. Yep. She's working on it. Yeah.
Okay.
So we got here. So this is the pretty part out. So you're gonna just wiggle your hand down here, and you're gonna find where it's automatically matched up the other corners. So I have two corners together here. It's two corners. So I'm gonna look.
Yeah, it did.
Got it?
Yeah.
So now you do little bat wings. We got bat wings going on. So now you're just literally gonna fold one into the other again. So we have all four corners together. And now you're going to shakey shake, and you're gonna make kind of a little half moon. See that, guys? There's a little half moon there.
Am I doing this right?
Okay, let me see. Yeah, look it. So you wanna just shaky shake,
Shaky shake. Okay.
shaky shake, and so here we're shaky shaking, and I'm gonna lay it down just so you can see what I'm doing. There.
Oh yeah.
So here, and then this folds in.
So
Okay,
it's
ready?
like
It's like a, I don't know, half moon maybe, I guess?
yeah.
So that's
half
the
moon.
flattest that your sheet is gonna be. Now literally I do it from laying it down anyhow. So you fold it again. Look at this.
Okay.
And then you can do, I do thirds, but you can do halvesies. So let's do halvesies. So halvesy, halvesy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
That was the first time I've ever been able to do that. Ever.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Yes.
Oh
So literally, it's really not that hard. I know everybody laughs and complains about fitted sheets, but it's not that hard. Just remember, get your fingers into the first two seams, flip it over, and then just straighten it out. Then you'll have another little pocket. You flip that over, straighten it out, lay it down. Do. Look it.
Awesome. Look at those
Beautiful.
sheets. Those are awesome.
Go team.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Lynette.
Yep, Lynette Sorensen with Remax Home Group, Twin Power Group. Have a great day.
Thanks.